terms of user experience, it's great for things like Office 365 because the service is hosted in Azure, so you can expect a better user experience when using Office 365. It's obviously very secure. It's hosted in Microsoft data centers, and we invest a lot of money annually in terms of security. It's scalable. You can scale it as and when the capacity is required. And it's very agile as well. So if you want to switch the virtual machine that a user's using, maybe to a more high-powered one, you can easily do that.
VDI in the past has been quite complicated and cumbersome if you wanted to set it up on-prem. You no longer have to worry about setting up load balancers, and KMS servers and SQL servers. It's all there for you when you do it in the cloud. But what Microsoft have done a really good job of is addressing the costs associated with VDI in the cloud. And they provide a multi-session desktop that's unique in this market and can result in the consumption costs of VDI being drastically reduced.
When considering AVD, which is essentially desktops hosted in the cloud, what I would mainly consider is throwing away the on-premises rulebook in terms of how you deploy that. You need to embrace modern techniques, things like infrastructure as code, DevOps pipelines, etc. So just take some time to reevaluate that and look at potentially the solutions that are available when using like native services in Azure.
What we do at Citrix is we take the great work that Microsoft's done and we extend it in a number of ways. There's kind of four key areas as I see it. First one is kind of functionality. So there's a bunch of stuff you can do when you add Citrix Cloud to the mix. So the biggest kind of higher ticket item is hybrid cloud management, so the ability to deploy workloads on-prem. We also optimize the cost consumption. We do a range of technology from MCS, MCSIO, WEM, HDX, so we can really kind of optimize that cost consumption. We also enhance the kind of user experience and also the administration experience, AVD. And finally, there's a bunch of security things that we can do to really enhance security around user behavior, endpoint management, application delivery, and browsing. So yeah, there's a bunch of stuff that we bring to the table.
At Bytes, we have a strong team of experts that can help with these decisions around AVD and VDI full stop. We've helped customers justify the costs associated with Citrix to make it a real and compelling solution. We can do cost-based analysis based on their setup and help them see how this could work for them. We offer a free independent advice as part of our workspace advisory service. So we can give the best recommendation based on your existing investments. And if it does involve Citrix and or Microsoft AVD, then we can provide workshops to help start that journey. So there's lots that Bytes can do to assist with.